How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can update MSI monitor firmware. Now, it's going to be quite difficult doing this for the first time, but the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the MSI.com. You simply want to search for your monitor. In my case, I'm going to be doing this on the MSI Optics. And then right below this specific monitor, we have the download button. Basically, in here, you have your firmware and utility. You can just click on utility, select your Windows right here, and then we want to click on the download button. Basically, after downloading it, it will look something like this. You could just simply install it by clicking on setup, click on next, and to finally use the gaming intelligence, you want to use the included DisplayPort or HDMI port from the monitor box itself. So you don't want to use other ones because it might not have the right bandwidth in order to do the firmware update. And you also have to put the USB to your monitor to the motherboard itself. And basically from there, you just want to head over to the system settings. You want to click on the scaler options, and basically from there you have to upload the extracted file that we got from the Microsoft web page right here. So once again, there's going to be the firmware option. Just click on it, and then you will be able to simply download the drivers itself. Click on download, extract the file, and you want to upload it inside the gaming intelligence. Click on scaler, and then from there you have successfully updated your monitor firmware. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.